From the DOJ, Bangayan and his lawyer proceeded to the NBI headquarters to deny that he is the big-time rice smuggler authorities are looking for. Noel Perfecto was there and he filed this report.
Davidson Bangayan alias David Tan did not wait for the NBI search as the alleged biggest smuggling syndicate and said financier of a certain rice cartel, which holds a huge part of the rice importation auction in the country from Vietnam and Thailand, has already presented himself in the headquarters along Taft Avenue, Manila. Along with his lawyer, attorney Benito Salazar, Davidson immediately proceeded to the NCR headquarters to deny the allegations that Davidson Bangayan is behind the biggest rice smuggling in the country.
That's why po, immediately I asked my lawyer to go to Secretary of Justice De Lima so that we could clarify. And hindi kami nagtatago. I voluntarily submitting myself sa DOJ, sa investigation. Wala po kaming involvement sa rice smuggling.
The 33-year-old businessman said that he is a former NBI consultant, and so it is not in his ethics to lie right before the Secretary of Justice, Laila De Lima herself. Davidson said that he is not the alias David Tan that the Bureau looks for. He added that he was forced to present himself to the Bureau after his name and photos surfaced in the whole country through television and other media.
Shocking talaga, no? It's like, maliliit pa mga anak ko. Tingnan naman ninyo ang nangyari sa akin. So, can you imagine kung bigla kayo paparatangan ng ganyan magnitude ng allegation about rice smuggling. Like smuggling king. Financier, yes.
Attorney Salazar said that they would press libel charges against Jess Aranza, Chairman Emeritus of the Federation of Philippine Industries, after Aranza bluntly named Davidson Bangayan and alias David Tan, financier of the smuggling syndicate in the country, as one and the same.
We're trying to verify whether the warrant corresponds to your client, to Mr. Bangayan, and now we have clarified everything. We have submitted fingerprints and photographs and showed proper identification, and I think everybody is convinced that Mr. Bangayan is not the same person as Mr. David Tan.
Bangayan's camp assured that he will not leave the country and would even help in the investigation on the biggest smuggling of imported rice in the country, so as to clear his name and to correct the false stories that apparently were done by his competitors in the industry. For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.